Hey guys, in this video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best pressure washers in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for a pressure washer that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these pressure washers, you can check out the description below. Let's get started.
Welcome to Joe's SPX3000. With over 3,500 5-star reviews and counting, this is America's #1 best-selling pressure washer. Clean smarter, not harder, with up to 2,030 PSI. That's enough power to clean any surface around your home. And while you're cleaning, you're only using 1.76 gallons of water per minute. That means you're cleaning more while using less water. This gas-free, eco-friendly, powerful universal motor is packed with 1,800 watts. And the 14.5 amp electric motor builds pressure so quickly that as soon as you hit that trigger, you are cleaning. No fumes, no fuss, no mess, and no stress. Our Joe is equipped with dual detergent tanks. Our dual 0.9 liter tanks allow you to store 2 different types of detergent. How's that for convenience? You want to power wash the house? Wash your car? Why choose? You can do both with just the simple turn of a dial. Most pressure washer pumps run continuously when the unit is on, doomed to suffer an early end. That's why Joe's exclusive total stop system is so critical. It automatically shuts off the pump and power when the trigger is not engaged, thereby saving energy, prolonging pump life, and extending the life of your valuable investment. Every SPX3000 comes equipped with 5 quick connect spray tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap. Tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks, from a punishing pinpoint jet to a powerful fan spray. You name it, you aim it, and grime is gone. Those aren't just words. It's a commitment to clean with a full 2 years of worry-free performance, season after season. Plus, the SPX3000 is backed by Joe's incredible 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. If you're not convinced that the SPX3000 is the best pressure washer you've ever used, simply return it for a full
Hi, I'm Susie Perry, and as you may know, I love my cars. For me, a weekend isn't complete without making sure mine is looking its best for the week ahead.
Driving in both the city and rural areas takes its toll on my car, from the smoggy air of urban life to the mud-soaked tarmac of country lanes.
Today I'll be showing you how the Karcher high pressure washer is simple to use and perfect for tackling the grime buildup and hard to clean spots on your vehicle. I've got the Karcher K5 Eco HPW with me today, which combines both power and energy efficiency without compromising on results. This model allows you to reduce energy and water consumption by 20% for those times when you just don't need all the power.
When you have your machine hooked up to the water supply, it's time to get cleaning. You can see that the K5 comes with a high pressure hose, a trigger gun, and a range of accessories that can be stored neatly on the machine. This is great for keeping all of your tools at hand as you work your way around the vehicle. The first thing we need to do is to get the larger surface dirt off the vehicle. Now I attach the snow foam nozzle and apply a thick layer of Karcher's Ultra Foam Cleaner detergent. You can really see why it's referred to as snow foam.
Leave the detergent for about a minute or 2 to take hold on the car's surface. Then use the Karcher wash brush before using the spray lamps to blast it away, leaving the car with a sparkling clean surface that'll have your entire street jealous. That's not all though. You'd be surprised just how much dirt builds up on the undercarriage after a country drive. Connect this Karcher chassis cleaner to your machine, adjust the height of the spray so it's firmly up against the car's undercarriage.
Then it's time to get rid of all the mud and salt with the cleaning power of a Karcher pressure washer.
Lastly, we need to sort out these grimy alloys. It's no good having a sparkling car and shoddy wheels. Fortunately, Karcher have the ideal solution.
Just spray on the detergent and use the Karcher wheel wash brush attachment to remove the accumulated dirt and brake dust that's built up. If you want to store your clean car on a spotless driveway, you can use the patio cleaner attachment included in the HPW Home package to blast away any dirt.
And there you have it. The Karcher pressure washer and its range of innovative accessories are the most effective way of getting your car spotless from top to bottom, providing the ultimate solution for everything nature throws your way.
Hi, thanks for checking out the MegaShot 2700 by Simpson. My name's Tim Wilkins. Let me show you how this powerful, gas-operated cleaning machine is just right for you. Like its big brothers, this Simpson machine is powered by a reliable Honda engine. The GCV 190 engine is the best engine in its class and not usually found on machines at this price point. I like the Pro-Style Quick Connect spray tips. Pick the one you want for the job you're doing to get that professional quality clean. The 2700 PSI has all the power we need to keep our stuff looking great and to protect our investments. Cars, boats, patio furniture, walkways, you name it, you can clean it. Connect the garden hose to the machine inlet using the quick connector. Turn the on-off switch to the on position and turn on the fuel valve. Next, pull the choke lever and briskly pull the starter rope. Once you get the MegaShot 2700 going, cleaning will be a breeze. No matter the task at hand, the MegaShot 2700 stands up to the challenge. Thanks for watching, and I hope this machine makes your life as easy as it does.
You love what pressure washing can do for your home, but you hate how long it takes with a slow, underpowered machine. It's a total weekend wrecker. But what if you could get all your cleaning done in about half the time and do a better job? Well, now you can with the all-new Speedwash from Generac. Hi, Tom Parent here, and I'm excited to introduce you to a whole new approach to pressure washing. Because the Speedwash isn't just a better pressure washer, it's the heart of a complete washing system. A system that not only produces terrific results, but also makes pressure washing so fast and easy, you might even enjoy it. Here's why it's better. The Generac Speedwash starts with best-in-class 3200 PSI cleaning power, and it puts pressure control right at your fingertips with the innovative Power Dial gun. Forget about constantly stopping to switch nozzles every time you need to change the pressure. With the Power Dial gun, you simply match the dial to the cleaning task. Dial it up to blast away tough stains on concrete. Dial it down for a gentler wash on cars, patio furniture, or windows. And the heavy-duty flex hose never tangles or kinks, ensuring constant pressure and flow. Plus, Generac's cutting-edge cleaning attachments put the Speedwash system in a class by itself. The Power Broom makes cleaning decks and driveways fast, up to 4 times faster, without streaking or causing damage. The turbo nozzle uses a high-pressure rotating jet to scrub away grime and increase cleaning speed by up to 30%. And the soap blaster sprays detergent 3 times farther than ordinary washers, saving you time and steps. And here's the really exciting part. Right now, for a limited time, you can have all 3 of these game-changing cleaning tools for free. The Power Broom, the Turbo Nozzle, and the Soap Blaster, all free. And you won't pay a penny for shipping. This is a one-time opportunity to get the complete Speedwash system at a savings of $135. But you must act now.
To get the complete Generac Speedwash system, call 1-800-816-0352. Free shipping is now in effect, and right now, for a limited time, you can get all 3 cleaning tools for free. Speedwash models start at just $349. Order online at GeneracSpeedwash.com.
Even without our innovative cleaning tools, this machine is a huge step up in pressure and quality from any washer you've used before. It features a high-quality brass head pump, a reliable, easy-starting Generac engine, and best-in-class water pressure of 3,200 PSI. And that power translates into getting the job done faster. The Generac Speedwash is engineered and built in the USA. and we ship it factory direct with a 3-year limited warranty. The Speedwash system gives you the tools to make all your pressure washing jobs faster and easier. Once you've tried the Power Broom, you'll never go back to cleaning your deck any other way. With ordinary pressure washers, you need to inch along, trying to maintain a constant pace and distance from the surface. The Power Broom uses 4 jets instead of 1 and rolls along at a constant height. The result is an even, consistent cleaning action that puts you in full control. It's this easy. Plus, it's up to 4 times faster.
The Generac Speedwash is simple, easy to use, and adaptable to any cleaning job.
In addition to decks, siding, and driveways, you can tackle cars and trucks, boats, RVs, gutters, patios and patio furniture, fences, sidewalks, storage sheds, chimneys, retaining walls, and the list goes on.
I hope you can take advantage of this limited time offer. In addition to the highest pressure rating in its class, with the Speedwash system, you get the Power Broom, which makes cleaning decks and driveways up to 4 times faster.
The Turbo Nozzle, which increases cleaning speed by 30%. And the Soap Blaster, that sprays detergent 3 times farther, saving you time.
Introducing the 13-amp 1600 PSI electric pressure washer from Greenworks Tools. With the 13-amp universal motor, harness the cleaning power of water at 1,500 pounds per square inch and at a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute. With the Quick Connect nozzles, easily and conveniently switch between the 25 and 40 degree tips in no time. Clean all around the house thanks to the 35-foot-long GFCI electric cable. Operate the washer in either the vertical or horizontal position. Fill the detergent tank with soap formulated for pressure washers to wash away tough stains and dirt. And the 20-foot reinforced non-marring hose prevents wear and tear while leaving no scuff marks on cleaned surfaces. The compact and lightweight design makes the 1600 PSI pressure washer conveniently portable. With a 1-year warranty and Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association certification, the 13-amp 1600 PSI pressure washer from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver where and when it counts.